Not only is Mom growing a ton of cicadas, just joking, but they are everywhere. She also down here are the first harvest of our sugar snap peas. So let's make a roasted sugar snap pea recipe. Once we get the sugar snap peas all cleaned, cut, we want to make sure we get the ends off, the little veins off. To that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. After the olive oil, we're going to put half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Maybe a little extra. If you like these videos, please take a moment to like, subscribe, share. Really appreciate it. 1/4 a teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 a teaspoon of garlic powder. Maybe a little bit more if you like the garlic. I'm going to mix that all together to make sure they all have a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic. Mix them together. We preheated our oven to 450 degrees. Just going to set these on our sheet pan, and we're going to roast them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. All right, after 10 to 12 minutes, we're going to pull those out. And they are done. We hope you did enjoy this recipe. Take a moment to like and subscribe.